This is from Uncle Carlos. What's this? Carlos put too much tape. What's that? What is it? Say thank you, Carlos. And thank your grandparents for their gifts too. We forgot. Say thank you, Grandma, Grandpa, and Uncle Carlos. What happened? Okay, honey. Look, say bye. We gotta open up more gifts. Okay? Put it up here for later.